Welcome, in front of me is ZTE Nubia music, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Hotspot is added by default, as you can see right here, but if you don't see it, you can click right here on the pencil, find it somewhere in the list right here, hold it, and then you just drag it over, drop it, drag it over this text, and it will become added. As you can see, the toggle that I have added right here is now. Anyway, once you have it here in this list, you want to hold it again, and this will take you to these settings. Now the reason you want to navigate in here is because Hotspot comes with a randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. You can click on the hotspot password right here and also change it. I don't think this is a default password, or default as in randomly generated one, as it only consists of numbers. Typically that's letters and the numbers. But in any case, you can get rid of it and then set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And from there, you can then, sorry if you can hear the noise outside, but from there, once it's set up, you can find the toggle once more, tap on the toggle, and your hotspot is now enabled. Now, as you can also see, there was this pop-up that Wi-Fi is now turned off, and that is because it's using the same antennas for both of those, so it only can do one of those things at a time. Once you're done using your hotspot, you can tap on the toggle once again, and Wi-Fi will, as you can see, become automatically enabled on its own. So there we go. And in the settings, sometimes there's also an option to, there we go, turn off hotspot automatically. This one is set by default to turn off after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of not being used, it's going to turn itself off, which is a pretty nice option to have enabled. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.